The story of telemedicine is a testament to human ingenuity. It's a story of using technology to overcome distance and improve lives. The earliest seeds were sown in the early 20th century. This was a time when the radio was the cutting edge of communication technology. Doctors in remote areas started exploring the use of radio to consult with colleagues. They shared patient information and sought advice on diagnoses. These early attempts were rudimentary, but they hinted at the potential of using technology to bridge the healthcare gap. It was a small step, but it marked the beginning of a journey. One can only imagine the excitement of those early pioneers. They were using radio waves to transmit vital medical information. It was a revolutionary concept at the time. These early efforts laid the groundwork for the telemedicine we know today. These early pioneers faced skepticism and technological limitations, but they persevered, driven by a vision of a future where distance was no longer a barrier to healthcare. Their efforts paved the way for the transformative technology we have today. The quest to explore space pushed the boundaries of technology in countless ways. Telemedicine was no exception. In the 1960s, NASA played a pivotal role in advancing telemedicine. They needed a way to monitor the health of astronauts in space. This led to the development of remote monitoring technologies. These technologies allowed doctors on Earth to track the vital signs of astronauts in real time. This was a remarkable feat of engineering. It demonstrated the life-saving potential of telemedicine in extreme environments. The innovations from the space program had a ripple effect on healthcare back on Earth. Technologies developed for space found their way into hospitals and clinics. This accelerated the development of telemedicine for the general population. NASA's contributions to telemedicine illustrate the power of human innovation when faced with extraordinary challenges. The drive to explore the cosmos led to advancements that continue to benefit humanity today. The 1980s and 1990s saw telemedicine begin to take root in hospitals and clinics. It was particularly impactful in rural communities. These communities often faced a shortage of doctors and specialists. Telemedicine offered a lifeline. Doctors could use video conferencing to consult with patients in remote areas. They could also provide specialized medical expertise to hospitals hundreds of miles away. This improved access to care for millions of people. The impact on rural communities was profound. Patients no longer had to travel long distances for specialized care. They could consult with specialists from the comfort of their local clinics. This saved time, money, and often lives. This period marked a turning point for telemedicine. It was no longer just a futuristic concept, it was a tangible solution to a real-world problem. The success of telemedicine in rural areas proved its value and paved the way for wider adoption. The arrival of the internet in the late 20th century was a watershed moment for telemedicine. The internet provided a fast, affordable, and accessible platform for communication. This revolutionized the way telemedicine was delivered. Doctors could now connect with patients through video calls with ease. The transmission of medical images and data became faster and more reliable. This opened up a world of possibilities for remote diagnosis, treatment, and monitoring. The internet also facilitated the development of online platforms dedicated to telemedicine. These platforms connected patients with doctors across geographical boundaries. It democratized access to healthcare in an unprecedented way. The convergence of telemedicine and the internet was a game changer. It broke down the traditional barriers of time and distance in healthcare. We were entering a new era where quality healthcare could be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. Section 5. The COVID-19 Catalyst: Telemedicine in a Time of Need. The COVID-19 pandemic of 2020 was a global crisis that tested healthcare systems to their limits. Lockdowns and social distancing measures made in-person medical consultations difficult and often impossible. Telemedicine emerged as a crucial tool in the fight against the virus. With hospitals overwhelmed, telemedicine allowed doctors to screen patients remotely. This helped to prioritize care and reduce the spread of the virus. Patients with chronic conditions could consult with their doctors safely and effectively. The pandemic forced healthcare systems to adapt quickly. Necessity, as they say, is the mother of invention. The rapid adoption of telemedicine during this period demonstrated its value on a global scale. The pandemic highlighted the importance of a robust and adaptable healthcare infrastructure. It proved that telemedicine is not just a convenient option, but an essential tool in times of crisis. The lessons learned from this period will shape the future of healthcare delivery. Section 6. Modern tools of the trade, from video calls to remote monitoring. Today, telemedicine encompasses a wide range of technologies. These technologies are constantly evolving and becoming more sophisticated. Video consultations are now commonplace. Patients can connect with their doctors from the comfort of their homes. Remote monitoring devices have also become increasingly sophisticated. Patients with chronic conditions can use wearable devices to track their vital signs. This data is transmitted to their healthcare providers. This allows for early intervention and personalized care. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is also beginning to play a role in telemedicine. AI-powered diagnostic tools can analyze medical images and assist doctors in making diagnoses. This has the potential to improve the speed and accuracy of diagnoses. The integration of these technologies is creating a more connected and proactive healthcare experience. Patients are empowered to take control of their health. Doctors have the tools to provide more personalized and effective care. Section 7. A weighing scale, benefits and challenges of telemedicine. The benefits of telemedicine are numerous and far-reaching. It improves access to care for people in rural areas, those with mobility issues and those with busy schedules. It reduces the cost of healthcare by minimizing travel time and expenses. However, telemedicine also faces challenges. Concerns about patient privacy and data security are paramount. The lack of a standardized regulatory framework for telemedicine can create uncertainty. The digital divide, the gap between those with and without access to technology, needs to be addressed. The lack of physical interaction between doctor and patient can also be a drawback. Some diagnoses require a physical examination. Building trust and rapport can be more challenging in a virtual setting. Despite these challenges, the potential of telemedicine to revolutionize healthcare is undeniable. By addressing the challenges and embracing the benefits, we can create a future where quality healthcare is accessible to all. Section 8. The future is now AI, VR, and the evolution of telemedicine. The future of telemedicine is brimming with possibilities. The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, or AI, is poised to revolutionize the field. AI-powered diagnostic tools are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They will help doctors make faster and more accurate diagnoses. Virtual reality, or VR, is another technology with enormous potential in telemedicine. VR can create immersive simulations for medical training. It can also be used to treat patients with phobias or PTSD. The integration of telemedicine with electronic health records, or EHRs, will enable seamless sharing of patient information. This will lead to more coordinated and personalized care. As technology continues to evolve, so too will telemedicine. We can expect to see even more innovative applications of technology in the delivery of healthcare in the years to come. Section 9. A vision of tomorrow telemedicine in a connected world. Imagine a world where geography is no longer a barrier to accessing the best healthcare. Imagine a world where patients in remote villages have access to specialists in world-renowned hospitals. This is the promise of telemedicine. Telemedicine has the potential to democratize healthcare. It can bridge the gap between the haves and have-nots in healthcare. It can bring the best medical expertise to those who need it the most, regardless of where they live. The journey of telemedicine, from its humble beginnings to its current state of innovation, is remarkable. As technology continues to advance, we can look forward to a future where quality healthcare is a right, not a privilege.